to speak the English language very smoothly? If you don't know, guys, this video is gonna be very important, beneficial, and also a special video for every beginner, advanced learner. It doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter your anything. So guys, this thing is that how I practice or how I speak the English language smoothly. And today I am gonna say you that how also you can speak the English language smoothly. Because you can see that lots of people, they always just when they give a speech, when they do some conversation with someone, then what they do, they just steal their hand, they take the mic and then they speak like, hi, my name is like that, and I was there, and like that, and my story's name is Healthy's Adventure. Once upon a time there was three little this. It doesn't mean that you are speaking the English language smoothly, fluently, with the fearless. It is just meaning that you are just fearing from the audience, you are just fearing from saying, you are not doing any body movement, body expressions. Then how it will be? So guys, this question solution I just made, and I am gonna say you. This answer will be just 3 words. Yes guys, this question answer is 3 words, simple 3 words. Just remember those words. So the first one is that practice. Yes guys, practice. And also, like, I will say you what to do, practice, how to do practice. And then the second one is also very important. It is body expression. As I say you first, that body expression is important. It is also like this. And the third one is the most important thing. It is that the stop words. Yes, stop word, stop sentence. So first I will say you that practice. Okay, when you will do more and more practice, then it will be smooth and like smoother. Yes guys, you can speak the English language fluently with the fearless, without the fearness. And then it will be very easy to practice. Also, you have to maintain some rules that you have to practice the stories. Yes guys, stories. Just try to practice those stories. First read all of them and then try to explain them. So okay, when you explain a story, then there are 3 benefits that you can see. The first benefit is you are getting lots of stock words, stock sentences, and the first benefit as you can understand, your speaking also will be smoother. Yes guys, will be smoother. When you read a story, then your grammar rules, then your grammar's part also being strong. Then in that moment when you can develop a grammar rules, develop your grammar rules, then it will be very easy to speak the English language smoothly, to speak the English language fluently. This is I wanna say. And then my second also like this, a very important thing, that it is the body expression, body movements. When you will stand like that, and when you will speak, it is not fun, it has no fun. But when you will do the body expression, body movements, moving your hand near and there by side, then it will be more and more smoother. Okay, did you understand that when you will do like this, like I was going there was a call I received, and also more things. That's why I say that body expression, body movements are so important. And the third, the last, but the very important is the stock words. Yes guys, the stock words. When you will stock more and more words, then you can use them when you will be stopped. Like thought that you are giving a speech with lots of body movements, body expressions, but suddenly you forget a sentence of the speech. You just copied the speech very well. You also remembered the speech, but suddenly you remember something. You just forgot something to say. Then what you will do? You can't stop there. You have to speak something. And also, if someone asks you any another type of a big question, then what you will do? Like an uncommon question, then what you will do? Then you can use your stock words, means your vocabulary. Then it will be very easier for you, very smoother. It will be that it can be the lots of people will thought that what is this? With it doesn't matter, we can speak the smoothly. But no guys, I'll say to you, my channel is not a basic channel. My channel will give you ways to go on. But after giving the ways, you have to just work on it. Otherwise you can't. So guys, this thing, like the stories also just show you a way to go. But if you don't use them, then it can't be. So guys, this thing I wanna suggest you to all of our subscribers, and please guys, today I will not say to subscribe you. If you learned something also, then subscribe or hit the bell icon, like this video and comment your beautiful comment. It gives me lots of support, motivation. Thank you guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Always remember, if you wanna just make your English language smoother, then first read the stories, and from the stories you can get the stock words, first one. And then the second one is also very important, is the body movements, body expression. It will just include lots of energies and the audience will feel fun, and also they can understand that yes, he know the English language. Means when you still like that and when we just speak, everyone can understand that yes, he just copied and he's just pasting on the stage. But when you will do body expression, body movements, then the audience will think that yes, it is coming from him, and you also can develop very quickly. And then when you will just do something new, and you will just speak something new, then the body expression will come automatically. But the first, read the stories and then just copy all of the story, and then just try to explain the story. When you will explain a story, then you are getting the stock words from the story. And then you also, when you will just explain a story, you have to do some body expression, body movements. And in the end guys, I wanna say that the thing is very important. It is the practices. Practice the stories, as I say you, it will be helpful for you. In my every video, I think that I always just say story, and I will